Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make bubble liquid with shampoo. First, gather your essential ingredients: shampoo, water, and sugar. While shampoo is the star, you can also use a small amount of liquid dish soap to enhance the bubble strength. Precision is key, so make sure you have measuring cups and spoons ready. This simple combination will form the base of your homemade bubble solution, perfect for hours of fun. Now, let's mix our ingredients. Start by combining 1 part shampoo with 2 parts water in a bowl. For example, if you use 1 cup of shampoo, add 2 cups of water. Next, incorporate 1/4 part sugar into the liquid. The sugar helps to strengthen the bubble film. Stir the mixture very gently to ensure everything is well combined without creating too much foam, which can hinder bubble formation. To achieve the best bubbles, let your solution rest for at least 1 hour. This allows the ingredients to fully integrate and the foam to settle. For even stronger and longer-lasting bubbles, consider adding a small amount of glycerin or corn syrup. Just 1 tablespoon of glycerin per cup of solution can significantly improve durability. These additions create a thicker, more resilient bubble film, making your bubbles more impressive. For the best bubble blowing experience, always use a clean bubble wand. When blowing, aim for a gentle, steady breath rather than a forceful puff. This technique helps create larger, more stable bubbles that float beautifully. Experiment with different wand sizes and shapes to see what works best for you. Remember, practice makes perfect. Also, for those who love to read anywhere, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.